Before Paul Castellano became the boss of the influential Gambino crime family, his life was intertwined with the underbelly of organized crime. This video delves into Castellano's early life, his initial foray into mob life, and the events that ultimately shaped his journey to the top of one of New York's most notorious crime families. Early beginnings. Paul Castellano, born on June 26, 1915, in Brooklyn, New York, was raised in an Italian-American community where organized crime had a strong presence. Growing up, Castellano became acquainted with various mob figures, planting the seeds for his own future involvement in the criminal underworld. The influence of Tommy Lucchese. Castellano formed a connection with the influential mobster Tommy Lucchese, who would become a crucial figure in his mob career. Lucchese recognized Castellano's potential and took him under his wing, gradually introducing him to the intricacies of organized crime and providing opportunities for his advancement within the Lucchese crime family. The rise within the Lucchese family. Through his association with Lucchese, Castellano gained recognition and respect from other mobsters. He proved himself to be a capable and diligent lieutenant, involved in various illicit activities such as loan sharking, extortion, and labor racketeering. Castellano's loyalty and dedication earned him a reputation as a competent and disciplined mobster. The formation of the Gambino family. In the 1950s, the formation of the Gambino crime family under the leadership of Carlo Gambino proved to be a turning point for Castellano. Castellano's close ties to Lucchese facilitated his transition from the Lucchese family to the Gambino family. He quickly rose through the ranks, eventually becoming Gambino's trusted confidant and advisor. Paul Castellano's influential role. Castellano played a pivotal role in expanding the Gambino family's operations beyond traditional rackets. He recognized the potential in legitimate business ventures, captivating the attention of wealthier and more influential individuals who could be exploited for monetary gain. Under his guidance, the family delved into sectors such as construction, trucking, and labor unions, solidifying their power base and increasing their profitability. The transition to leadership. Following the death of Carlo Gambino in 1976, Paul Castellano assumed the role of boss, becoming the head of the Gambino crime family. His leadership was marked by a shift towards white-collar criminal activities, embracing a more business-oriented approach while maintaining control over traditional mob operations. Conclusion. Paul Castellano's journey through the ranks of organized crime showcases the importance of personal connections, loyalty, and ambition within the Mafia. From his early association with Tommy Lucchese to his ascension to power within the Gambino family, Castellano's path was shaped by the opportunities presented to him and his astute understanding of how to expand criminal operations. While Castellano's tenure as boss of the Gambino family was short-lived, his impact on the organization and the larger landscape of organized crime cannot be overlooked. His business-focused approach and expansion into legitimate sectors left a lasting legacy, transforming the Gambino family into a formidable force within both illegal and legal realms.